Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome back to my product reviews. Today I'm going to do a review of this cool box we got in the mail. It is a outdoor game. This company makes all sorts of fun games to play outside, and I'm going to check this one out. In full disclosure, I did not pay for this. This was sent to me to do this product review. And we chose this one because we thought it fit well with the Airstream lifestyle, and you'll see momentarily that it's an outdoor adventure thing that we really love. And it will fit in these side compartments right here. That was the most important component to me to order this particular product. So let's get it open and see what's up. All right, so to start with, this is a backpack that it comes in. Nice leather straps here, nice branding. It has straps on the back that you can carry this with. Makes that easy. It's fairly light. It's not overly heavy. I'll put the backpack on it a bit and see how this thing feels on your back. Let's see what's inside. All right, this game board is the Yosemite painted one. On the back here is some legs that are magnetic here, and it's made in the Philippines. The wood comes from the Philippines. Having spent time in the Marine Corps in the Philippines, I really like some of the stuff they make there. And then you have the name brand right here, which looks good. It feels very sturdy. To be a small device, it's pretty heavy. So this is one of those. Here's the other, same thing. They have a myriad of designs. You can get different ones painted from different scenes. So this was the one we liked the best and our favorite color scheme. So this is one we got. It has a instruction manual here, the rules of cornhole, and sticker. If you like stickers, we love stickers. Everybody likes stickers. So we got the small boards. This is the smallest set of cornhole boards I've ever seen. And we'll see how easy it is or hard it is to play this game because the boards are smaller. But we did like that it's kind of transportable. It really easily fits inside your storage compartments on an Airstream or on any kind of rig or in the back of your vehicle. It doesn't take up a whole lot of space, so I really like that feature. Also, this board came with two different styles of beanbag, and it's got the mountains here and their branded name, and the mountains and a branded name on this side. Two different colors. It's kind of a rough material on one side, and it's like a leathery material on the other side. Really pretty colors here. I like these. I think they match the colors of the board well, and they seem to be sturdy quality made. Hefty bags here. So these are just the two colors. It comes with 4 bags, 4 of each bag. Pretty cool product. Let's set this thing up and see how hard it is to play. The play field, it shows you on the discussion here, it is, if you get the travel size, which is what we have, it's 8 to 15 feet between the end to the other end, because it is a much smaller target. And then it gives you the rules, single or double play, how to score, tossing, rotations, positions of players, traditional play, all the things, house rules. And then it talks about maintenance and care and how to take care of it, clean it, updating the coat on the wood and that kind of stuff. So. All right, let's get this thing packed up here and see how it wears. Now all of these bags came boxed separately, so the 4 single color bags were all in their separate box. Now, while there's no specific storage spot for them, there's a divider between the two boxes in here, so they don't get scratched up, and it's a very nice protected case. I'm just going to slide them down between the boards, all colors on one side and all other colors on the other side. All right, so it wears pretty good. It wears kind of low here, but it's long. It's not that heavy. It's a pretty comfortable backpack considering what you're carrying. I think this is something you could easily carry to the campsite or easily carry down to the beach or easily store inside your rig or tow vehicle. So I think this is a great travel size game, and I like the design. I like the wood. I like the quality material. The paintings are really cool. The designs are really cool, and I'm very grateful for you guys sending this thing out to us. We're gonna go enjoy some cornhole today.